So hello everybody, this is Sabah here from the Happy Mommy Place, and you're bringing to you a very interesting session today with our live. So let's look at everybody who's online so that I can really relate to whether you guys can hear us, not hear us. So I would look forward to if you can just give us a little thumbs up if you can hear us clearly, or is there any videos, audios perfectly fine. So great, I'll just set in a few things and then we'll be started. So good, we can actually see you here, and great. Oh Kaina, thank you so much for the thumbs up. So this just makes sure that we are clearly audible and you can hear us. So good. Hi Aisha, hi Kainat, good to see you guys. Thank you so much for joining in. So let's start off. So this is Sabah, the founder of the Happy Mommy Place, and as you know, the Happy Mommy Place is a mother's resource center. We have anything and everything to do with the mothers, and like I was just saying in my invitation video, the very striking thing was something which came in as a revelation to me अचानक से, कि हमने इतना काम किया है to actually sensitize girls about onset of periods, but what about menopause? So that was my question which was lingering in my mind, and I realized that we had a lot of concerns about that, and we really wanted to get into discussions about that because I think the awareness was far too little. So good, let's start off on a new journey of understanding and finding out things, and I'm so glad so many of you are here. I look forward to getting much more really a lot of support from everyone. Thank you. Hello Fatima, how are you? Thank you so much for joining in. So now I take the pleasure or take the opportunity to introduce you to one of my members of the Happy Mommy Place, and a wonderful friend, and actually really somebody who really believes, walks the talks kind of something. So here is Dr. Shaftab Khalid, and she is from the Soul Clinic, a consultant homeopath. And basically the whole idea of me connecting with her is because for her also medicine is the last resort. So she is like really into correcting your food, diet, lifestyle before you actually resort to medicine. So welcome Dr. Shaftab. Thank you so much for joining in. And I am so sure I do not need to say anything much more than that. So please just give us a little brief of what do you think, what's happening around us first with the concerns related to menopause.
Thank you, Sabah, for having me over, and thank you everybody for joining. It means a lot, and I really appreciate you're doing a commendable work for the women and the girls, and the best part is that you are addressing an issue which is so very important. Like, we are teaching our girls about menstrual hygiene when they go through menarche and what all they go through. We mothers are teaching our daughters, and lot of awareness is there everywhere. But do we address what ladies go through when they are in their midlife, between in the late 30s and up to the age of around 55? What do they go through? I have seen that they themselves don't know. They are unaware of what is going on inside them. So menopause that you say that we are addressing today Every woman just knows that just my periods are going to end and that is all about menopause, but there is something beyond that. There is a lot to know before you come into menopause. Menopause is not a sudden process, it is a very gradual process, and you need to identify what all signs and symptoms you are happening and what is going on inside your body. You really need to identify, and during this session we will tell you about whatever is happening inside your body.
So great, thank you so much for the brief introduction. Thank you everybody who's been supporting and sending much love to us. Yes, Anjum, thankfully you could join in. Good to see you, I'm so sure. Yes, we really look forward to, because I look forward to at least the learning which I'm going to get today. So my first question to Dr. Shabtab would be, what, like you're saying that there's much more or beyond what happens exactly when you on the onset of menopause. What do you think, how many years prior to that, or how long does it take to actually get into menopause, as in the stopping of the periods? What happens prior to that?
First of all, let me tell you what is menopause. Like most of them, menopause is the pause to your menstrual cycles, like you stop menstruating, and that is an end to your reproductive years. You are no more fertile. So this is not a sudden process. Again, I say that this is a gradual process, and it takes around 4 to 8 years before that you start experiencing certain signs and symptoms. That is because of your hormones declining. As you age, your hormones start to decline, and during this decline you experience certain signs and symptoms which the women are not aware of at all. They just think it as a disease or something that is happening, but this is natural. This is a transition in life. हम बोलते हैं ना, एक औरत की शाम होती है जब उसको मेनोपॉज होता है, जब वो मेनार्की जो स्टार्ट ऑफ मेंसेस होता है एक लड़की के लिए, जब वो जवान होती है, and then comes pregnancy and then comes menopause. That is the twilight of your life. So that is a transition, and we should learn to age gracefully.
So ये कितने, मतलब आप कुछ अप्रॉक्स दे सकती हैं कि कितने years पहले से ये स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं? जैसे what is the approx age which people are nowadays experiencing menopause at? मतलब कितने age पे?
See, the average age would be around 46, anywhere between 45 to 55. But before 40 also we are seeing menopause, and that is called premature menopause. Owing to a lot of factors, circumstances, and the stress we are going to take, and also depends on your genes. So anything, menopause can also happen before 40, which is called the premature menopause. एंड मेनोपॉज उनमें भी होता है जिनका ओवरीज जो है वो सर्जिकली रिमूव किया होता है बिकॉज ऑफ प्रीमेच्योर ओवेरियन फेलियर, या केमोथेरेपी, या रेडिएशन जो लोग लेते हैं, या यूट्राइन उनको, या ओवेरियन कोई कैंसर हो, देन द ओवरीज आर रिमूव्ड एंड द यूट्रस इज रिमूव्ड, देन ऑल्सो मेनोपॉज जो है वो हो जाता है अब्रप्टली. But sometimes you only remove the uterus and partly you remove the ovaries. So that time what happens? You another 5 years and then you step into menopause.
अच्छा, so that means मतलब one thing very strikingly pointed out over here is कि जैसे हम बच्चों को समझाते हैं कि उनकी लाइफस्टाइल, उनके खाने, सब चीज़ें बदलने की वजह से nowadays puberty sets in much early. So उसी तरीके से something like that menopause is setting in a little early these days because of our stress and because of our lifestyle.
We are exposed to so much and we are not taking care of ourselves. So menopause is setting earlier.
अच्छा, so now when you say कि like it is a twilight in the female's life, ये सुनकर ही I am so sure थोड़ा तो मन हिलता होगा, and you feel, do you think it has emotional impact on us? मतलब what do you think?
Because when I saw the flyer that you put in a lady with a grey hair, that is the post-menopausal stage. Okay, menopause जब भी हम लोग सुनते हैं तो ladies यही सोचती है एक बूढ़ी औरत जिसका menses खत्म हो गया, but that is not so. Menopause sets in much before. हम लोग जो है some may have entered that stage. Okay, so we need to identify कि हमारे life में क्या हो रहा है, हमारी body में क्या हो रहा है. Just let me tell you about the physiology about menopause. Okay, so young girls जब उनको मेनार्की होती है, मेंसेस स्टार्ट होते हैं, तो क्या होता है, हमारे हार्मोन्स, जो हार्मोन्स है ईस्ट्रोजन, प्रोजेस्टेरोन, ये एक्टिवेट होते हैं, एंड वी प्रिपेयर देम फॉर दैट एक्टिवेशन. ओके, सो देयर सेकेंडरी सेक्सुअल कैरेक्टर्स एंड इमोशनली what we are not addressing or the awareness is not there about is menopause. And about menarche. We are not educating women, at least not in India. I don't see that awareness. So we need to educate women about menopause. What happens during menopause? So first of all, menopause जो है वो sudden नहीं होता है. We go through a perimenopausal phase before menopause. That is around 4 to 8 years before menopause. What happens is जो हमारी ovaries हैं, I'm sure everybody knows कि female physiology उसमें ovaries हैं, and we are born with eggs. Okay, and every menstrual cycle one mature egg is released, and if that egg is fertilized, then the girl gets pregnant. Otherwise it is shed in the form of bleeding. That is called the periods that we call it. So what happens is, as we age, around in our mid 30s, the progesterone and estrogen levels start declining. और ईस्ट्रोजन जो हार्मोन है ना, इसका एक बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है हमारी बॉडी में. इट इज अ प्रोटेक्टिव हार्मोन. इट इज प्रोटेक्टिंग आवर हार्ट, इट इज प्रोटेक्टिंग आवर ब्रेन, इट्स स्किन, हमारे पेल्विक का एक रोल है ऑन आवर माइंड. So this estrogen when starts declining, we have that effect on our mind, on our skin. The entire body starts suffering, and then you get certain signs and symptoms which I say that you need to identify from the very start. The first sign and symptom that you will get is you will start having irregular menses. Okay, आपकी menses irregular हो जाएंगी, कुछ शायद जल्दी हो जाए, लेट हो जाए, ज़्यादा हो, कम हो. So you need to understand, yes, मेरा periods जो है वो irregular हो रहा है, मतलब मेरे hormones जो है अब imbalance हो रहा है उनके अंदर. Mentally क्या होता है, estrogen के fluctuation से क्या है, mood swings. अब औरतें जो हैं उस मूवीज में रोने लगती हैं जो इनको कभी बॉदर नहीं करती थी, उसमें बैठ करके रो रही. दिस इज द सिम्टम व्हिच कम्स कि अननेसेसरली बिना कोई बात के वो रो रही हैं. दे आर सेंसिटिव, दे आर इरिटेबल, मूड स्विंग्स हो जाती, वंडर वुमेन बन जाती हैं. मतलब दे स्टार्ट फॉरगेटिंग कि मैंने चाबी कहाँ रखी, मैंने बैग कहाँ रखा. उसके बाद जो है बहुत ज्यादा हॉट फ्लशेस देखे जाते, क्योंकि एस्ट्रोजन के इम्बैलेंस से जो है वो अचानक देखेगा आपको गर्मी लगेगी, सर पे गर्मी लगेगी, या अचानक ठंडा लगने लगेगा. स्किन ड्राई होनी स्टार्ट हो जाएगी. द स्किन स्टार्ट्स लूजिंग इट्स इलास्टिसिटी, सो यू स्टार्ट गेटिंग रिंकल्स. ओके, रिंकल्स होने लगेंगी, ड्राइनेस होने लगेगी. ईस्ट्रोजन जो है वो आपके पेल्विक ऑर्गन्स को बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट करता है, वहाँ के मसल्स एंड टिश्यूज को. सो क्या होता है, व्हेन ईस्ट्रोजन इम्बैलेंस होता है, यू नीड टू go often to the washroom, and then urine leakage की प्रॉब्लम, यूरिनरी इनकॉन्टिनेंस की प्रॉब्लम ये होने लगती है. देन वजाइनल ड्राइनेस आती है, क्योंकि वजाइना को भी ल्यूब्रिकेट जो है ये ईस्ट्रोजन करता है, तो ये वजाइनल ड्राइनेस आती है. मेटाबॉलिज्म स्लो हो जाता है. पहले क्या था, आप कुछ भी खाएं पच जा रहा है, एंड इट इज नॉट शोइंग ऑन योर बॉडी. बट जब आप मेनोपॉजल स्टेज में आती है, पेरीमेनोपॉजल स्टेज, bloating हो रही है. What is all this? This is because your metabolism has slowed down because of the fluctuating estrogen levels. So thinning of hair. So all these are the physical signs and symptoms that you have while you are going towards menopause.
So this is like a procedure which sets in.
Yeah, and nobody is aware. Very few women are aware of this.
I know. The more I speak to you, the more I discover that actually even I didn't know about all these things, and there were so many things to address and to know about. So I think why don't we really discuss this as in what could be a support system? What can we do to help this phase, just ease out into this phase?
See, you can start like you have a lot of groups already you're handling. You can start a menopause support groups where women can at least tell their symptoms, and we can identify it, and we can help them out with whatever we can with the knowledge that we have. So, and educate the boys in the house. I have seen now that boys what their mother is going through, or what the elderly women are going through in their family.
This is like the reason कि ये आज हम लोगों ने लाइव करने का सोचा भी क्यों, क्योंकि it's not just the boys. As a daughter, I feel कि मुझे भी शायद नहीं पता था कि what is my mother going through at that point of time. तो yes, ये एक मेजर रीजन है जो मुझे लगता है.
पीरियड्स स्टार्ट होते हैं तो लड़कियां कितनी इमोशनली वल्नरेबल होती हैं, बहुत सारे मूड फ्लक्चुएशंस होती हैं. वैसे ही व्हेन अ वुमन एंटर्स दैट पेरीमेनोपॉज स्टेज, शी गोज इनटू अ लॉट ऑफ फ्लक्चुएशंस. अचानक रोने लगेगी, एज आई सेड, गुस्सा आने लगेगा, इरिटेबल होने लगेगी, क्रैंकी हो जाएगी. सो आई थिंक द मैन शुड बी अवेयर कि जिस तरह से एक लड़की के पीरियड्स के बारे में उनको थोड़ा समझ आता है, उसी तरह से जो मिड लाइफ में जो इमोशनल को उनको समझना होगा. A woman should tell that yes, I am cranky now, I am going through some hormonal imbalance, or at least they should start knowing that yes, they are in that stage of life where they are in distress, they are handling themselves. So they should at least empathize with the women.
So I think most importantly पहले मुझे तो पता होना होगा कि मेरे साथ हो क्या है. मुझे लगेगा
that is because Sabha, we don't give importance to ourselves. We are the caregivers. But at a certain age, we have to start prioritizing ourselves, because you cannot pour from an empty cup. Unless and until you take care of yourselves, you cannot take care about others. So this is the stage where you have to say that I am important too. I have to take care of myself, because only when I am fine, I will be able to take care of you all.
Absolutely, absolutely. The great myth of the multitasking mother and the great myth of सबको संभालना है, and that ways
अभी ये बोलना है कि अभी मैं खुद को भी संभाल रही हूँ. So please bear with me. Okay?
So I know we've seen these major mood swings, and we've seen these things happening. So good.
Start saying no to whatever is affecting you mentally and physically, because you have to take rest.
So how important, probably हम लोगों में से कईयों को ये नए terms भी पता चल रहे होंगे, जैसे estrogen and these hormones we don't know about. So एक तो बहुत solid information ये है कि hormones play a very big role in our body. So I would want to ask you, what are the natural ways of maintaining a little hormonal balance, or is there any way in which we can take care of that?
What we underestimate is sleep. Sleep is the most underestimated medicine. ऊपर वाले ने हमारे शरीर को बनाया है, and it has given it the power to heal itself. So we need to have good quality sleep. Some people, they sleep for 8 hours and they don't get up refreshed, and some sleep for just 3 to 4 hours and they are refreshed. So वो quality sleep लाना होगा, क्योंकि when you sleep, your hormones get balanced. So sleep is very important. Then you for sleep, see what you can do is you can take a glass दूध and you can mix some haldi to it, which has curcumin, that has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidant. उससे क्या होता है कि जो आपको hot flushes and all sweat and night sweats होती हैं, उसमें आपको बहुत आराम मिलेगा. उसमें आप थोड़ा हल्दी डाल लें, थोड़ा कैशू ग्रेट करके डाल लें, एंड थोड़ा सैफरन इज वेरी गुड फॉर वुमेन. तो ये ड्रिंक आप रात में पी के सोएं तो आपको एक गुड स्लीप मिलेगी. Other things like meditation and all, whatever will help you calm and get a good sleep, do that. Nutrition में, as I said, estrogen plays a major role. आपके bone जो है, उसको affect करता है, तो आपका bones जो है वो osteoporosis की तरफ जाता है. What happens is after menopause you will see a lot of fracture के cases आते हैं, because women get prone to getting fractures. So bone health के लिए आप dairy products लें, जिनमें आपको vitamin D, calcium, potassium, phosphorus, all that is required for the bone health. You get it through dairy products. दही ले, दही is a very good probiotic. बाहर से आप याकुल्ट ले आते हैं probiotic के नाम पे, पर आपके घर में एक बहुत अच्छा probiotic. And what is probiotic? जो आपका gut है, gut में आपके बहुत बैक्टीरियाज हैं, अच्छी क्वालिटी बैक्टीरियाज हैं. तो प्रोबायोटिक जो है वो आपके अच्छे बैक्टीरियाज को गट के बढ़ाते हैं. सो हैव दही, हैव पनीर, हैज अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोटीन. अच्छा प्रोटीन ले, लीन प्रोटीन, क्योंकि आपका मसल मास लॉस होता है. सो यू नीड टू हैव क्वालिटी प्रोटीन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लेग्यूम्स, देन बीन्स, देन सोयाबीन. आई मस्ट से अबाउट सोयाबीन, like when you go through this phase, then estrogen जो है, estrogen में भी देखिए there are 3 types of estrogen. The estradiol जो है वो आपका जो है यंग गर्ल्स में मिलता है, that is the good estrogen. Then comes estrone. Estrone जो है वो बैड एस्ट्रोजन है, जो आपके मेनोपॉज में स्टार्ट होता है बनना. तो ये जो गुड एस्ट्रोजन है, हमको इसको बॉडी में बढ़ाना है. सो वी टेक नेचुरल प्लांट कंपाउंड्स जिनमें फाइटोएस्ट्रोजेंस होते हैं, एंड दिस यू गेट इट लाइक द क्रूसीफरस वेजिटेबल्स लाइक कैबेज हुआ, ब्रोकली हुआ, कॉलीफ्लावर हुआ. इनमें आपको बहुत ज़्यादा फाइटोएस्ट्रोजेंस मिलेंगे. फ्लैक्स सीड्स, चिया सीड्स, सो सीड्स, नट्स, ऑल दीज हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फाइटोएस्ट्रोजेंस, एंड दे play the role of estrogen that is declining and then is finished.
So I just wanted to address few questions over here.
Yeah.
One is Devika, who was asking, but how do I get quality sleep? So Devika, that's a $1 billion question. 1 million rupees to you for this. So I think that's a question जो कहते हैं ना, दुखती रग पर हाथ रख दिया आपने. So most of the people would be saying this ठीक है, so one question, let's address Deepika first.
ये सबकी है, तो ये जो आपके circumstances हैं, आपके जो issues हैं, ये सबके साथ हो रहे हैं. But then you have to understand that what gives you good sleep. Why are you worried? ये stress को थोड़ा हटाना है, क्योंकि जब तक आप ठीक नहीं हैं तब तक कुछ नहीं है. तो sleep किस तरह से आपको आएगी, that depends from person to person, how you get good quality. थोड़ा सा meditative mindfulness जो है, you have a lot of videos on mindfulness on YouTube. You can put that on your earphones and you can sleep. Gadget को बिल्कुल दूर रखें.
I wanted to pinpoint that.
That
Don't
is the real
forget.
culprit for everybody, be it women, men, children, everybody. हम लोग बच्चों को सिर्फ बोल देते हैं gadget. No, we are also on our phones. And what happens when you look at gadgets? जो melatonin hormone है, उसकी secretion कम हो जाती है. And then that interferes with your sleep. So sleep के लिए जो मैंने आपको टोटका बताया वो आप कर लीजिए. Plus आप gadgets से दूर रहिए. Gadgets को बिल्कुल 9:30-10 switch it off, and then you will see that gradually you will have a good night's sleep. Stress को थोड़ा हटा दीजिए.
And one thing for sure which I can put in for gadget, because I am dealing with that. So ऐसे मुझे नींद नहीं आती तो मैं मोबाइल कर रही होती हूँ. That is the circle, or that is the vicious circle.
You are going into a vicious cycle where you will not sleep unless and until you see your gadget. And that is hampering.
Fatima is asking, is there emotional imbalance as well during this?
बिल्कुल, मैंने तो अभी बताया कि एस्ट्रोजन जब डिक्लाइन करता है तो आपका पूरा ब्रेन जो है वो आप मतलब खुद ही नहीं समझ पा रही हैं कि आपके अंदर क्या चल रहा है. बात में चिड़चिड़ा रही हैं, बच्चों को जाके मार दे रही हैं, गुस्सा कर रही हैं, रो रही हैं. तो आपको पहले समझना होगा कि मेरी बॉडी में हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस हो रहा है जिसकी वजह से मैं क्रैंकी हो रही हूँ. सो टेल देम दैट यस, please understand that I am getting crankier. You need to please help me out and help yourselves so that I can help myself.
And then Femina has a question. Is frequent deficiency of vitamin D a sign of early menopause?
See, विटामिन डी जो है वो कम होने लगता है. कैल्शियम, क्योंकि ईस्ट्रोजन का जो है ना वो रोल जो है कैल्शियम मेटाबॉलिज्म में विटामिन डी के साथ बहुत ज़्यादा लिंक है. So vitamin D की deficiency is not a sign of menopause, but gradually as you go towards menopause, हाँ vitamin D की deficiency, and you have to take it. The sign is that your body now needs to take vitamin D. So you have to increase your dairy products. And one more thing, research से ये साबित हुआ है कि जो लोग dairy products लेती हैं, जो women लेती हैं, उनका menopause जो है वो जल्दी नहीं आता है. So yes, you have to start in the intake of vitamin D in your body.
And Aisha, one thing for sure, ये me time के चक्कर में या सेल्फ केयर के चक्कर में कहीं हम उल्टा गेम तो नहीं खेल रहे हैं, वो भी देखना पड़ेगा हमें. बिकॉज इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट सडनली रिसोर्टिंग टू I think more harmful means in the name of self care is the major problem.
Yes, mindful eating सबसे पहले. What you are eating, बस खाए जा रहे हैं वो नाश्ता and all, like you have to cut down on processed food loaded with sugar and salt. Salt खुद आपकी bone density को कम कर देती है, क्योंकि बाहर जो खाना मिलता है processed food, they are high in sugar, and metabolism तो already आपकी disturbed होना start हो जाती है. So you have to work on it. You have to be mindful with what you eat. एकदम nutritious diet लीजिए ताकि आपकी body जो है वो prepare करे to age gracefully.
So this actually brings me to something very important which I would want to just put in over here, that due to this recommendation we have started a support group for menopause, because we were getting quite a lot of queries and quite a lot of as in questions. So I am just putting in a link over here for everybody who would like to connect and be together for the menopause group, can just fill in that form. And yes, I think Romana also is talking to us about sleep. So probably sleep, yes, we would rather I take this as an opportunity to tell you to address sleep in a separate video altogether. But she just has one question, that even though she's sleeping for 6 hours, but how can she get into the deep sleep pattern? Is there a way? Is there something?
Yes, there is a way, because what I'm seeing ladies nowadays, you are leading a very sedentary lifestyle. आप जो घर का काम काज करते हैं उसको समझते हैं कि मेरी तो एक्सरसाइज हो जा रही है. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. देखो, एक्सरसाइज प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल, गुड फॉर कार्डियो एक्सरसाइजेज, एंड नॉट ओनली कार्डियो एक्सरसाइज. एक आप वॉक तो कर ले रहे हैं, आप सोच रहे हैं मेरा काम हो गया. नो, आफ्टर कार्डियो एक्सरसाइजेस क्या हो रहा है कि आपका मसल मास को आप लूज कर रहे हैं, तो आपको स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग पर बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान देना है. योगा के थ्रू आपके ब्रीदिंग. सो गो फॉर एक्सरसाइज, गो फॉर प्रॉपर जो फिजिकल एक्टिविटी, एंड व्हेन यू विल बी फिजिकली एक्टिव यू विल सी दैट यू विल गेट गुड स्लीप. You are not at all physically active. You are doing घर का काम which you consider as physical activity. So that doesn't help.
And Kainat also would like to know that emotional imbalances.
Yoga is very good, very good. I must say for ladies जो है different breathing exercises जो है ना, we've forgotten to panic में इतनी तेज सांस लेने लगते हैं. The importance of breath. योगा टीचेस यू द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ ब्रेथ, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ प्राणायामा जो है तुम्हारा आपका अनुलोम विलोम जो है. सिंस आई एम अ योगा वेलनेस कोच आई कैन really say that yoga is very beneficial for women. Different asanas like भद्रासन हुआ, पद्मासन हुआ, that works on your pelvic organs. आपका जो भ्रमरी हुआ उससे आपको quality sleep मिलती है. So yoga is very good for women.
And one more thing is nowadays we hear a lot that already as in lifestyle diseases are there in every house. So Shabana has this question where she's talking about menopause of women with thyroid.
Yes.
So they have a major difficulty in
Yeah.
adjusting, and what are their symptoms and how do they
Whatever symptoms that I am talking about during a perimenopausal state, उसको आपको differentiate करना है कि आपको thyroid का कोई disorder तो नहीं, because the symptoms are similar. So ये भी नहीं सोचना है कि मैं menopause की तरफ जा रही हूँ इसलिए मुझे ये symptom. Your physician has to check whether or not you are having any thyroid disorder, hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism, or which is very common with females nowadays. And I attribute everything to the whatever we are having inside, processed foods ka lena, we are not mindful about what we are eating, and then genetic also. You see genetic आता है वो thyroid, अगर मम्मी को था problem thyroid का तो वो बच्चों में भी आता है. So once you know that you have a family history of diabetes or hypertension or hypo or hyperthyroidism, you need to check it from the very beginning कि हमको क्या करना चाहिए. तो थायराइड के लिए तो you are taking your medications and yoga and exercise and mindful eating that I say that will help.
And so we're almost there. We've addressed quite a lot of things, but I personally wanted to ask this, that very often, and especially that sentence has stuck into my mind, that this is the twilight of a female's life. So I just wanted to know that do things change like drastically after menopause?
It will change drastically if you don't identify it in the beginning.
So what kind of drastic changes are you talking about? As in all the diseases?
Yes, you will start having all the cardiovascular problems, bone problems होने लगेंगी, skin. If you start taking care of yourself from now on, from your mid 35s, you will see that आप जो है बहुत अच्छे से एज करेंगे, एंड मेनोपॉज के बाद जो है आपके प्रॉब्लम्स उतने नहीं रहेंगे, क्योंकि आज लेडीज जो है ये यही जानती है कि मेनोपॉज मतलब मेरा पीरियड्स बंद हो गया. अब अगर आप जानेंगे कि नहीं, अभी से समझेंगे कि नहीं मैं आ चुकी हूँ, अब मैं उस स्टेज की तरफ जा रही हूँ, then what will happen? You will start addressing your body, you will start addressing your needs, you will now know that नहीं मेरे लिए पिज्जा इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, मुझे ब्रोकली जो है वो बॉईल करके खा लेना चाहिए. So when you address certain issues, these issues आप mindfully करेंगे, then you will see that you will age gracefully and you will not have the problems that women used to have because they were not aware. So we need to work on educating the women through this menopause support group. Like women should join and we should address those issues.
Yeah, and do also share light a little on जो emotionally उनको लगता है कि okay, I don't know how women handle menopause, I don't know, but उनको लगता है that somebody had put in a question that they're losing their charm in life or the beauty goes off. So what advice do you have for women thinking like that?
This is the reason for depression, Savannah.
Yeah.
You know, females, once suddenly they see that they are losing their elasticity, skin dry, their wrinkles, and they start losing the charm because of declining estrogen. तो क्या होता है कि they start getting depressed. They now know that I won't be able to reproduce, I'm not fertile, I'm not looking good. Then the depression sets in. So what you do is you take this as a transition. हम अपनी उम्र के शाम पे आ गए हैं, एंड यू नो द बेस्ट पार्ट इज लाइक आफ्टर मेनोपॉज, पहले तो आपको क्या था, आपको अपने साइकिल के हिसाब से मंथ याद रहता था कि मेरा महीना जो ऐसे शुरू हो रहा है. अब आपको रहेगा कि ना मेरा 30 दिन का ही महीना होता है. आई एम बैक टू दैट गर्ल वाली फीलिंग. एंड आपने बहुत कर दिया, सबके लिए किया, यू हैव गिवन योर एफर्ट्स, यू हैव पुट इन एवरीथिंग. नाउ इज द टाइम टू टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ. जो आप नहीं कर पाए औरतों को हमेशा रिग्रेट रहता है, गिल्ट रहता है कि मैंने अपने लिए कुछ किया। तो अब अपने लिए करिए ना, अब आप जो है अपने पुराने फ्रेंड्स से जो है वो बात करना शुरू करिए। दिस विल हेल्प। कामिंग, मेडिटेशन, योगा, फिजिकल एक्टिविटी, इसकी तरफ जाइए। न्यूट्रिशन का ध्यान दीजिए। यू विल सी दैट व्हेन यू विल टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ, यू विल फील गुड कि नहीं अब तो मैं अपना ख्याल रख रही हूँ। And when you will start, when taking care of yourself, when you will start respecting yourself, you will see others will respect you too. Woman has to respect herself.
So this is like the crux of our story. We've always been speaking about it at the Happy Mommy place. So I no wonder Dr. Shaptap was here with us, because she was so reinforcing about this. He definitely, I always felt and I always said that children don't need a super mom. Nobody needs a super wife. All they need is a happy one, settled है, अपना ध्यान रख रहे. So one more thing. There are quite a lot of questions. So let's start with this. So what if I couldn't identify and stepped in premenopause phase? What should be done? This is for Sarwar.
Okay. So if you are already approaching menopause, so what I said, like taking care of yourselves, no, it's never late. You can start from now, and at least जो बाद में हो सकता था उसको आप रोक लें. सो हार्ट के प्रॉब्लम्स को आप रोक लीजिए. जो आप बहुत ज़्यादा रेड मीट एंड ऑयल, अच्छा खाना बना रही हैं, उसको थोड़ा सा बंद करिए. माइंडफुल ईटिंग जो है खुद भी करिए, एंड अपने बच्चों को एंड अपनी फैमिली को भी माइंडफुल ईटिंग एंड योगा एक्सरसाइज की तरफ आइए. सो इट्स नेवर लेट. आई कैन नॉट गो ब्रिंग यू बैक टू द पेरीमेनोपॉजल स्टेज, बट yes, you can take care of yourselves now and be a better version of yourself.
And said this very beautifully, where she says that I have seen women in 50s bonding over their menopausal health. मतलब suddenly we started off कि हाय ये क्या होगा and menopause होगा and how will we manage and stuff, and suddenly I feel that Dr. Shaptap saying that you get back to your girl वाला phase, and your Anjum is saying
अब आप शुरू कर दीजिए ना. वो आपने अपने माँ को देखा, आप शुरू कर दीजिए. अच्छा तुम चिड़चिड़ा रही हो, लग रहा है तुम्हारा हार्मोनल. I can understand. So we can also empathize with ourselves.
So that's it. She's bonding over like teenagers.
Somebody is overreacting. बोले हाँ ठीक है मैं समझ रही हूँ, तुम आ गई हो उस stage.
And one more thing, Vijay, what role, I'm so sure it does, as what I can understand from the conversation, what role does body weight have to play with menopause?
बॉडी वेट देखिए, जब आपका इस्ट्रोजन जो है लड़की को फर्स्ट पीरियड्स होता है तो इस्ट्रोजन एक्टिवेट होता है. देन व्हाट हैपेंस दैट फैट एंड मसल जो है वो अक्यूमुलेशन अराउंड द वेस्ट जो है, तो वो सेकेंडरी सेक्सुअल कैरेक्टर स्टार्ट होती है. एंड व्हेन यू आर अप्रोचिंग मेनोपॉज तब भी वेट गेन होता है, लेकिन वो वेट गेन दैट इज नॉट मसल, दैट इज फैट, लूज फैट. Okay, so weight जो है आपको करेक्ट करना है. For that you have, I told you that we have the bad estrogen when we are during menopause. So we need to flush out that bad estrogen through cardio exercises. Walking करिए, exercise करिए, and flush that out of your body. So that when you look good, when your clothes will fit well, you will look good for your age. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि आप 45 हैं और 55 लगे. So वो डिप्रेशन में मत आइए ना. 45 हूँ, चलो 45 ही लगूँ मैं, या 42 लगूँ. That will boost your morale.
So ultimately this actually says that you need to join a My Mommy's Strongest group at whatever age you are.
She's doing a great work, and I'll say that every woman should join her group.
So that is, it's like amazing. Okay, so let's take a couple of more questions and then we'll have to wind up. Yeah, Amina had earlier also posted, and she wanted to know that if somebody's uterus has been removed, then how does she identify and how does she manage this phase?
Now the point is कि आपका यूट्रस ही हटा है या आपके उसके साथ साथ ओवरीज भी हटे हैं. सम डॉक्टर्स तो जो हैं वो यूट्रस सिर्फ नहीं हटाते हैं, ओवरीज को भी हटा देते हैं या एक ओवरी हटा देते हैं. तो यू हैव टू नो कि आपका दोनों ओवरीज हट गया है, तब तो वो अब्रप्ट मेनोपॉज आ जाएगा, एंड देन मे बी द डॉक्टर्स में हेल्प यू विद हार्मोन रिप्लेसमेंट थेरेपी. अदरवाइज मैंने जो बोला आपको नेचुरल चीज़ें जो फाइटो ईस्ट्रोजेंस हैं वो अपने लिए आप न्यूट्रिशन के लिए आप वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लें, क्योंकि दे टेक द रोल ऑफ ईस्ट्रोजन इन योर बॉडी.
And one more is from Deepika, who says that she is on a daily dosage of progesterone, and the doctor says that she should continue till 47. So which is the average age of menopause? Matlab, do you want to say, actually see Devika, the whole thing is that a little personal history probably she won't be
that
able
will
to
be required, yes,
require, but a little general overview on this you want to say?
Generally the overview will be that because women don't know what they are going through, तो वो फौरन जो है मेडिसिन की तरफ रिसोर्ट करती हैं. वो जो चीज़ें मैंने बताई हैं, जैसे अपने न्यूट्रिशन का ख्याल रखना, अपने एक्सरसाइज का ख्याल रखना, अपने स्लीप का ख्याल रखना, इसको किए बिना दे गो फॉर प्रोजेस्टेरोन बिकॉज आई डोंट नो व्हाट योर हिस्ट्री इज. So if you do these things, you can cut down on that progesterone and you can naturally take these things inside and help yourself.
So great. So thank you so much for your time. Any last word, one sentence which could just seal it and stay back with us? So any last words from you about this?
Thank you for having me over, Sabha, and I must say that see हम लोग अपने आप को बहुत ज़्यादा अंडर एस्टिमेट कर लिए हैं. I must say that we should now start taking care of ourselves. Prioritize yourself, respect yourself, take care of yourselves, so that the men in your life, the children in your life, they can respect you.
Great. Thank you so much. One little Zareen wants me to know that, can we take any medicines to increase the estrogen level?
That is the last resort. I said, na, when you still have that deficiency and you are having symptoms, severe symptoms, then you can go for that hormone replacement therapy. Otherwise, from the start introducing those foods that I said as acting as phytoestrogens in your body. You can just fill in that deficiency in your body and feel good.
Great, so thank you so much. So moms, everything boils down to lifestyle,
yes,
food,
exactly.
mind, body and soul and everything together. So you're most welcome to get in touch with Dr. Shaptab, and she will be our leading person on the Happy Menopause group. So I have posted the link there and I'm posting it again.
Okay, so from Happy Mommy Place now another group that is Happy Menopause.
Yeah, exactly. So that's what something which we need. And thank you so much everybody for joining in. Thank you so much for your time. And since this is a personal thing which I always maintain, be it on my sessions or my workshop, keep it short and sweet. Because मुझे पता है कि as a mother, टाइम की क्या वैल्यू है हमारे पास. शायद we don't even have 24 hours in a day. Somehow I wish we had 30 hours in a day.
So ladies, now that you've celebrated your menarche, now is the time to celebrate your menopause.
Oh, this is also amazing. Okay, I am taking back some amazing things. So we celebrate menarches now. So we'll have cakes and parties and go ahead for our menopause.
All cranky women together celebrating.
Crazy women together.
That will bring a balance to your heart.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.